Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make this Halloween themed box with decoupage technique. First I just paint the box in white. Oh, I can't talk. Because I made these boxes before and I know the brown is really strong and the napkin is really thin, so I need to do this to make it look better and to cover the writings on the box. And this is how I painted it. I didn't paint it inside because I wanted to leave that brown color, and then I just started peeling the layers of the napkin because I need all these little layers, and then I just used my glue and black, decoupage glue and black, and I started painting the box. This glue was a little bit too wet. It wasn't too good, or I did something wrong, I don't know, because I made these boxes but not with this glue, and it was a little bit hard to do it, and I want to make this technique with this glue and lac, I don't know, with kids. So I don't know how it's gonna work because it's a little bit too wet and made the napkin a little bit weird and hard to use. But I'm thinking about that with kids. That's gonna be a Christmas and winter themed box making, but I think I'm gonna make with them not covering the whole box, just giving some sweet details, some figures and these things. I won't be asking them to cover the whole box because these are super big. I have smaller box that I want to do with them, but it's a lot of time and they won't do it if it's that much time and that hard. That's gonna be more easier. They will like it that way more because they can't make it that way, and gonna look super nice too. And I just wanted to say that I really love these boxes. I have a bunch of them because it's a really good quality box, and I can make a lot of stuff from them. I made already a box, a different type of super cute box. Now I have this rustic Halloween themed box, and they can be used as making these book looking boxes because it's super good for that. I want to make one like that too. They are super good looking and really good quality. I don't know what to say. They are super good boxes. I love to use them. I love to work with them. And after a time I figured out how to use this glue and everything, but this glue isn't my favorite, but I think the kids gonna be using this gonna be good for them, and they gonna paint with not with brush or with their fingers. And as you saw, I didn't mention it, but you could see that I used several layers of the napkin because the first layer was ruined a little bit, and I was like, oh, that's gonna be okay because then it will be a little bit rustic, and I wanted to make it really orange, so that's why I used a few layers because one layer was not strong enough. So, and it's turned out pretty well at the end, I think. Here in the inside, that's where I didn't paint it, and it was a mistake of me, but not a big. You can see the writing on it that I don't want it to be seen. Next time I'm gonna paint that part too to cover that. I put another layer on this, and now you hardly see it, but it's visible, not that much, but a little bit visible. So next time I'm gonna cover that too. So yes, and with my nails I just put it inside to cover all the little edges too, and it looks super nice at the end. Always, I really love this technique and to decorate these awesome boxes. And this box is super good because you can store lots of stuff in them, and these little facts, or I don't know, these little places you can put out the paper inside of that, and then it's gonna be a simple big box where you can put lots of stuff. I put sometimes accessories, jewelries in it because that's super good for that. And sometimes I put on not what's this button and yarn to make it this opening thing. But if I use I can use magnets to make an opener, or what's this, to hold it together, because it's nothing that's holding it in together now. But as you can see, they are super cool boxes, and as I think you noticed from how I talking about it, but I'll make more boxes in this channel. I'm gonna use these boxes a few more times because I love them, and I can make lots of pretty things with these. And at the beginning I displayed everything that I used. I can't talk. So I displayed everything, but I left out the scissors. Yes, I go around and didn't say the word that I can't. So but as you can see, I need to use a scissors. Phew. So it ended up super nice. I wanted to give more detail to it, but at the end I didn't do it because I was like, I'll ruin it, and it looks super nice now, and I'm happy I didn't add black on it. So this is how it looks like now without the designs, just the decoupage technique, how it looks like, and it's pretty nice, I think. And now I use these things that we use for cooking, and I just used for painting right now, like this. I can't say it differently. So this is how it looks like. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lots of link in the description that you should check out, and see you in the next video. Bye.